Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 20th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar, and we are on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we definitely did engulf down what's happened several days ago. I've been recommending shorts for the last couple of days. Now that we did that, we have two options. Option number one is that this is going to go someplace between 38 and 78% of this move up, some sort of a three-way pullback and then continue the higher time frame uptrend. Option number two is this is going to turn into more of a complex pattern, like a triple three or something like that, and this is actually going to reverse to the downside, taking out this previous low. Either of those options, I think right now we should be bearish on the euro dollar for sure. I go down to the 1 hour time frame. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right now. I would definitely be patiently waiting for a decent pullback. I don't really have my fib on here yet because it's not much of a pullback yet. But if it does go up, if it does break structure, the first thing I would do is on my Fibonacci retracement on here. Then I would look for some sort of a recognizable pullback, like an ABC or something, to a Fibonacci retracement level, and then I would take it as a short. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.